See, everyone get their new, looking for the new beads everyone got. You have to take off your old beads, put on the new beads. Abhi Lena hai kuch. Or mujhe dena hai. Yeah, I'm just saying in Hindi. Lena means to take. So this is to be kept, not thrown. Wo Chaitanya Chandra, wo kagaj rakhna hai. Or bhi dekhna hai. To the men, I'm giving all names that Srila Prabhupada gave. So you'll get the name of a disciple of Srila Prabhupada. And all the names of Matajis that I wanted to give, I already gave, so I'm just choosing names. Hare Krishna. So, you can tell the 4 rules.
На русском дайте обеты. 4 о 4 принципах и повторение святого.
If you can say in English.
I promise you, Maharaj, no gambling, no intoxication, no, in my love, meat, fish, and eggs, no
Garlic or onions.
intoxication, no illegal sex.
Do we get them all?
Yes.
He said one twice. Okay.
Meat, intoxication, gambling, no sex.
Okay.
4.
Okay.
Holy name.
And I promise chanting 16 rounds as minimum, holy name.
All right then. Take the mic.
Every day.
And this is, name given by Srila Prabhupada, a name which comes in Caitanya-caritamrta. Langa Ganesha Das.
Next one, Andri. Who's that? Yeah, it's Vitali, but I'm saying about the next one. He has to be ready.
They can be ready. Sit properly.
Hare Krishna, dear Guru Maharaj. I promise you follow the 4 regulation principles: no meat eating, no intoxication, no gambling, and no illicit sex. And also I promise you chant a minimum 16 rounds of Hare Krishna Mahamantra daily.
Vrajarbhaka Das. Hare Krishna. Means a young boy of Vrindavan.
Hare Krishna, my Guru Maharaj. I promise you.
They're all
not eat.
They're not ordinary Russians. They all speak English. When I first went to Russia, there was one who was a Manushanam Sahasra, not in 1,000. There was more like 1 in 100,000 could speak. I guess it's all Netflix.
I promise you not eat meat, eggs, fish, not gambling, not intoxication, not illegal sex. On 16 round japa every day.
All right. Jai Hare Krishna. Brahma Muhurta Das. Hare Krishna. Where'd she come from? probably.
She's coming.
Yeah, it is Christina, right?
Christina,
Yeah.
yes.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, that was the wrong order.
Okay, it's all right. It's fine. No problem.
Bhakta Oscari, is he here? He's supposed to be here, but he's not here. No.
No, well, if he's not, he's not going to get initiated. Madhavi in Gaura Lile.
Вы сможете сами или перевести обеты? Перевести, да. Ну, это не обязательно.
Living in Mayapur.
Yes.
Very fortunate.
Очень удачливо, что живете в Майяпуре.
Дорогой Гуру Махарадж, я обещаю не есть рыбу, мясо, яйца, не употреблять интоксикации, не вступать в незаконные половые отношения и не играть в концертные игры.
Святые имена тебе.
И повторять каждый день на четком 16 кругов Махамантры.
This is a name of a female servant of Srimati Radharani in Vrajalila. Kala Keli Devidasi. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna. She did already? Okay.
Hare Krishna Guru Maharaj.
Hare Krishna. Bangla bolte bar.
চারটি বিধি নিষেধ বলবো। চারটি বিধি নিষেধ বলবো গুরু মহারাজ।
Charte Nishad.
আমি সাহার বর্জন, নেশাদ্রব্য বর্জন, দ্রুতক্রিয়া বর্জন, অবৈধ সঙ্গ বর্জন।
Abhaida
কমপক্ষে 16 মাস।
Purushri Sangam. Kotomala.
কমপক্ষে 16 মাস।
Kompoke Sholamala. Lileshwari Radha Devidasi. Then Yagya, you can do a Yagya, yeah.